will you end up if you start anywhere on Earth and travel northeast? Let's find out. Say you start in the centre of Australia and travel not north, not east, but halfway in between, up in this direction here. A piece of tape will show us where you'll end up. Now, pretty soon we're into the northern hemisphere and we're still travelling northeast. You might say at this point, maybe we'll end up at the North Pole. But look what's happening here. We're not heading straight at the pole, although we are getting closer to it all the time. Still going northeast, and you can see at this point that what the line is starting to do is to spiral around that pole. In fact, you'll keep on getting closer and closer to the pole, never actually touching it, but spiralling right in towards it. And eventually, although you don't go over the pole, you'll bump into it with your left shoulder. And that will happen no matter where you start from on Earth. Oh, except for two spots. There are two places on the globe from which you cannot travel northeast, no matter how hard you try. Where are they?
I want to know. Curiosity.